In this episode, we'll look at snow from a completely different perspective and discover what's really hidden inside it. Snow is frozen water that falls from clouds in the form of ice crystals. It forms when water vapor in the air freezes and creates tiny crystals that stick together and fall to the ground as snowflakes. Each snowflake has a unique shape, but most of them are six-sided. This comes from the structure of the water molecule and the way ice crystals grow at low temperatures. The exact shape of a snowflake depends on temperature and air humidity. In some conditions, delicate, highly branched forms appear. In others, the crystals are simpler and more compact. Once snowflakes reach the ground, they quickly lose their original shape. They break, partially melt, and often freeze again. Now we'll take a closer look at snow that I collected directly from the ground and examine it under a microscope. Instead of perfect snowflakes, we see more compact ice. Under the microscope, it looks incredible, like an abstract painting made of irregular structures, cracks, and shimmering ice surfaces. Next, I'll melt this snow and see what's left behind. After it melts, tiny particles become visible in the water. Things that were previously invisible, such as plant fragments, pollen, soil particles, and air pollution like dust and soot. In fact, you don't even need to melt the snow. Just looking at snow collected from a yard under a microscope is enough to find plant fragments, pollutants, and tiny fibers or materials. And that's why snow, even though it looks clean and white, is actually a record of what's floating in the air around us. If you enjoyed exploring the microscopic world, be sure to check out our video about aphids and their natural enemies. You'll find even more fascinating details that are normally invisible to the naked eye.